today I'm going to do a little tutorial on how to do those big side messy antenna buns that I've been doing on the dolls lately. I love this style because it shows it's the cute messy bun, but then it also shows the amazing hair. So this is Melissa and she's going to be my model today. So the bamboletta hair has like these three, it's sewn down in 3 layers, right? So what you're going to do is from this top layer, you're going to take about like a 1/2 inch to 1 inch section at the top here. And then I'm going to leave some hair down and I just push it forward a little bit. And then I take another inch or so from the second layer here, but I always leave a little bit at the front, maybe 1.5 inches, because you want them kind of chunky, right? And then at the top here, at the back of this layer, I take another inch or so. So, I mean, you kind of vary it depending on how big you want your bun to be. So then I just kind of comb it so that it's nice and smooth. Okay, and then I'm just going to twist. That's all it is actually, is just twisting with these ones. So I'm going to twist and then sort of twist it until it buckles, and then it's like that. You know, I just kind of tuck the tail in under, and then I get my ribbon. So I just get ribbon, and then I hold it down with one hand, get the ribbon, and sort of just twist it around the ribbon or the bun, and then pull, and there you have a bun. And then I make a little, just tie it off, do a little bow. You can get kind of cute here with the bows too, or with the ribbon. I always love using like fun color ribbons. When I do the dolls, like I usually use a coordinating ribbon, but I think it's fun to do like kind of crazy color ribbons. So there is the big messy bun, right? Let's do the other side, just so that she matches. All right, so again, I'm gonna take a bit off the top here, and then a bit on the side, or this, like the second one, right? So I push that forward on the side, in the second layer, and then from the top layer, like that. There she is, and then I'm just gonna twist, 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 kind of tight, and then it just buckles, and it's like that. And they're there. So these aren't exactly perfect because I'm doing this facing this way and it's a little bit weird. It's easier when you're doing it yourself because you can have the doll facing you, but I want to show you how I do it. And then I do this and then tie it off. And then I clip the ribbons and stuff, of course, but yeah, so she'll be like this. And that's her with her kind of big messy buns and long hair. Yeah, it's kind of a cute look. I'll redo this one. It's a bit like messy. It's a bit too messy, but yeah, that's the look we're going for. Okay, I hope this helps.